In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Skyrim crash on startup. Now first open Steam. So here go to library, right click on your game, properties, make sure launch options doesn't have anything in it, installed files, make sure you click verify files, then go to browse, find the game and find the .exe folder for the game. Right click on it, properties, compatibility, and then enable these three options. Click apply, click OK, and then you want to close this, settings, downloads, make sure the download region is set to your region, and if you don't find your region, just set something close to your region. Now clear the download cache, click clear. After that, you can test and see if it works. If it doesn't, then here's what you can do. What you need to do first is to exit Steam and exit the game. So right click and then exit. Then if you see the game here, exit it, and then go to task manager and then exit the game here as well. Exit Steam. If you see any Steam or any game running, just right click and then end task. Once you do this, try to uninstall your game through Steam. Go back to Steam and uninstall the game and reinstall it, and hopefully this should fix your issue.